AI is no longer optional for business, and enterprise AI readiness depends on workforce AI maturity. Nearly every role can be significantly enhanced through role-specific AI capabilities. This requires upskilling that strengthens core competencies while building AI capabilities tailored to each role. Yet most organizations are still trying to solve this with generic learning platforms. Employees don't engage because they are overwhelmed by irrelevant content, and most training never turns into real, role-ready skills. Meanwhile, gaps in core skills and AI readiness are growing across the workforce, fast. ZigyaAI solves this. It delivers the most relevant learning resources for precision upskilling in every role, strengthening core competencies and accelerating AI maturity. The result? Higher adoption, faster productivity, and a workforce that can competently deliver on your strategy. This isn't just learning, it's capability transformation. Turn every employee into a role-ready AI-enabled asset. Partner with ZigyaAI.